southeastern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Stephenson County in northwestern Illinois, Bureau County in north central Illinois, east central Clinton County in east central Iowa, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from East Clinton to Portland Corners to Sheffield, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Clinton, Freeport, Sterling, Rock Falls, Princeton, Morrison, Mount Carroll, Fulton, Prophetstown, Erie, Lanark, Walnut, Garden Plain, Milledgeville, Gwinnett, Sheffield, Fairhaven, Anawan, Tampico, and Shannon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 30 and 61. Interstate 88 between mile markers 17 and 44. Interstate 180 near mile marker 13. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding.
That severe thunderstorm is huge. Oh, I cut it off. Like, why?
This is Noaa Weather Radio.
I mean, fine, but whatever.
Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather.
Yeah, look at how big that new severe thunderstorm is. That is huge.